In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Forms quiz in just 5 minutes. This process is incredibly simple and can be a game changer for anyone looking to easily gather responses or test knowledge through a tailor-made quiz. So let's jump right in and transform your ideas into a structured quiz. To start, open up your browser and head over to Google Drive. This is your starting point for creating all things Google, from documents to forms. Once you're there, to the left hand side you're going to see a button labelled New. Go ahead and click on that. This button is your gateway to a host of options to create various types of files. When the drop down menu appears, you're going to scroll down until you see Google Forms listed among the options. Click on Google Forms and you should notice an arrow pop out that offers you two further options. Since we're creating a quiz, I want you to select Blank Quiz. After the form opens, the first step is naming your form. Think about the topic or the subject of your quiz and give it a fitting title. The name you choose will appear at the top of your quiz, so make sure it's appropriate for the context in which the quiz will be used. Next, find the Settings tab at the top of the page and click on it. Here is where we make this form an actual quiz. You'll see an option that says Make this a quiz. Toggle that feature on. This is important because this step is what enables the quiz functionality in your form, allowing you to assign scores to questions and track responses. Go ahead and navigate back to the Questions tab. Now, start adding your questions by clicking on the Add Question button. Here, you'll find different types of questions, from multiple choice to short answers. Select the format that best suits your needs. Perhaps you might want a mix of question types to keep things engaging. With the questions added, take your time to fill in both the question and the potential answers. Be clear and concise so that those taking the quiz will understand exactly what is being asked. Once you've input your main questions, the next focus is on the answer key. Click on the answer key option for each question. Here, specify which answer is correct. At the same time, allocate a points value to each correct answer to determine how much each is worth within the quiz. Finally, you can add a touch of creativity by customizing your quiz. Change themes or add pictures to make your quiz more visually appealing and engaging. When everything looks good, the last thing you'll do is click on Publish. Share your quiz by sending a link or embedding it onto a web page, making sure it reaches your intended audience, and there you have it, your very own Google Forms quiz is ready to use.